Kamano.
Kendo wadwoko ne jowadu utero kamano mano wuok chieng' tarik 19 mogo kura ne oganda mar ODM manyo bedo cleared makoro wan go gachiel kuom amen jumbe ma Kisumu East otiko mar ODM Mheshimiwa Nicholas Odongo Recho. Gima duong' mosebedo kachando Kisumu East en pogruok mawuok oko. Weche wabed piny mwa resolve no koda pogruok Kisumu East. Anaka jakom mar constituency Kisumu East kamar ODM ya lungo ganda wage te mondo wabed piny steering committee achiel matimo campaign mar 6 piece ya Kisumu East constituency. Omiyo kawuono mor kina roko ganda duto adani ka ji wuok kaka jopuonjre mag Yesu 10 gariyo wamany kura koa piny ne jowa mane wayiere ward makiaka juluka wan gi Benard Adega, kidhi Manyata wan gi Nereo Kombo, kidhi Nyalenda wan gi Boyton Okech, kidhi Kolwa Central wan gi Calvin Oraro, kidhi Kolwa East wan gi Ruben Rakwach. To gi Mheshimiwa Recho kwa dhi malo wa support Mheshimiwa Professor Nyong'o mondo dogo bed governor kendo. Wa support Ruth Odinga mondo bed women rep, to support Professor Jenda mondo bed no senator.
Watimo milungo clearance kata mondo opuodhwa ma okawo chakre saa 4:30 nyaka sani ma wasetimo kendo watieko successfully kaluwore gi gik mane gidwaro watimo temo watieko koro go sani wan anyalo wacho motegno ni koro wachako campaign motegno mondo wa make sure kaka jo Kisumu East ni wa deliver the seat mar ODM mano chacho wa 2017. Ain morna maduong' ka wacho ni factions mane nitie mano nomiyo mewa problems wase unite as a team ma wan gi jaduong' Aumo Gonda ni e Bathaka e bobo chwomo matin to wan gi jaduong' Otuge Robert bende nitie. The team is united and we are ready kendo wawacho ni wadhi deliver
from the what they are supposed to be doing. So when we came here as aspirants, we met here with the returning officer, Mr. Yegon, and the deputy, Ms. Madam Maureen. We were given a raft of things we are supposed to bring. I have duly brought all those, including those copies of IDs which have binded in 9 booklets. And everything is there, complete with the IDs and even mine and my proposal and the seconder. Now, there was one thing they never told us about the EAC. Now they have told me to go and bring that one. Everything is okay, except now that one. I am going to the EAC now to bring, and then they are saying they are going to certify me. I am not worried because I know they are not doing me any favor. The right to contest an election and the right to vote in any election in Kenya is a civil duty of any citizen. Nobody should make an aspirant feel as if a favor is being done unto him or her. I have even paid the 20,000 banker's check required for be a member of the National Assembly Kisumu Central. When somebody has done something that you require, do not put bottlenecks. Do not collude with anybody to make aspirants have problems. So I am asking the Iebc to be fair to the aspirants because they do a lot. They undergo a lot to come through and to ensure that they contested. We are not going to ensure that people go in and oppose because some bottlenecks have been put into them. Competition is necessary, and there is competition at the presidential level. There is competition everywhere. We cannot allow some people to go in and oppose. And being independent is not a crime in Kenya. We are basically offering the people of this country an opportunity that if you do not like this person, then there is another person. And independent people does not mean that they are having views contrary to the society.